wala tu na hian Oliver te kapu fa te ho kha an in enkol tu te bangla nuam deuh maya kan han tlo dona an bangla hami an tunaka omna hi ka en mek hi ani ka omna mek hi nia aram lang thei angle kan mu pa hi chu tu na kan mu pa ang hi chu an ta ve ke ni rengot mai ni te chuan hei bangla hi nuam de mai an mani in enkol pui tu te le an bong ten kol pui tu tan an lo sab an saboka ta khan mai ka te hi an chung ko in an chenga chona pie loka hian bangla nuam de mai om boka chu po chu enkol tu ten chen nan an mang boka ni tiang hian an ma ni enkol tu rengot po hi an duat shim shima chowang chuan an bulan na tho hi no ma ke po hun tam tak le rei tak kalo thok to thina an in rong noi tur ten ka in hloa ti khan ati ngai le apui ngai ya hian in kapui mola chowang chuan ka soi tong khan an fapa ang main min enkola an thian than u naw an fa ang main min enkola min duat em mai ni ti kha ka soi to kha chowang in kapu ka ti lo thei lawa kapu ani miau boka kapu ti khanin mizo tonga chon mai ni ai upa chu kan pu te an ni me ni an za oma kha kapu ti in ka soi lo thei lawani ka thian pa ni bok kapu ni bok ani video hi atop thlengin lo endon nia tuna hian afapa tena an ram lei in an sak mek te kha kan va fang dona ram an label reng maya in an label an sak bel reng mai boka chutiang chu an kho sak dana nia an in sak dan thiam ziate kang te kha karon da lang vek dona in lo clear don nia mu no min te khopanga top thlengin lo en vera u
That's so cute.
And then
Yeah.
I got this real swelling. Well, you can see my legs, see?
Yeah, it's swollen indeed.
And so I went to the doctor. And she said, "Oh, you've got arthritis." I said, "What? Overnight?"
Yes.
Oh, that's Mike.
Mike. Oh, hey. Bangla in enkol tu pa omna turan sakleni hi. Mai kanya.
Great work.
Hello.
That's Jimmy, do you remember?
Hello.
How you going?
Good to see you.
You've done
Yeah.
a fantastic job of that leg.
Yeah. Tiang te hi bu pol kan tiang khat hian an da khom ta heng te hi bong cho tan khan lo tang kai zel maya an tiang ur mai ni pon ko mai hei heti lampoi oli ta tho ni chu yeah crossroad as well hey then
So he's got
hey hi all farm le boka le to na
you can see from here, it wasn't
over there yeah shoot there
all that long ago.
that's amazing heng te lo le le vek to ni chu kai so maintain nga du sa le point investment this is good investment isn't it Bobby
Gosh, it's
fantastic zau tan chu so ta son zong so lang thei chin so lo ta ve ka ni chu pon treng ve pu fa te he lai rot dengot ba hi to thamang chim le wow look at that look used to be a tire look like the vehicle tire there tractor tire yeah he hello le ve ka hang te po hi that's amazing a lot of tire tractor tire yeah huge
They did have. They had.
yeah look at this tractor ke lui tak te yan pui om khup mai ni an thing ban rangot poi to tham don sia so food so bong chon pek ang kan ta bu pol khati han nan ning lo ta so bong no te khan an ei kha hei ti son yeah interesting very good Yeah, working hard, but exciting to watch. Mom,
Right, thanks a lot.
thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye bye. Lo na sa chung ki chong tu ra nia ti hian an da bu kanga. In hi an sathiam mu nom tapani in hi. Sathiam tu na ni china an no kha. An no mam lai kha hi no he rai tang hin chuak la kila. Tapon kala kal lawa hei ti khan. He lai son la siam le do na ni. Ta khan he lai a chung ni china aron keu kha. Hilaya tur khan ye tu na an no ma mek so hei ke khi mi thing khi ani an bei turu khop mai kan mu to kan khan chon he la hen alo lakal chuaka he la hi room tur ani chulai po hi fu mai don ani view hi very interesting place hey he ta bathroom lu nan lu le kung bo ka kha an sak thiam zia ka kan ra thiam lai an ya chuan le lama khan tan kan kal kha a chak lama hi la hian bathroom leng lo le shower leng turin an van thiam em UTM bon top ani tan ka kalang a puten chuak to ha ka chua ve mai lo chuan that's interesting amazing turu top an hereนี่ก็ลำหงายเนี่ยหรอวะนอนขันนอนส่วนให้หลายปวดที่นอนมาให้ตาเย็นโนดมอมงัดปกติงละไปตัวนั้นกันฝังชินโดนะช่วงกันนั้นรู้ตั้งอ่ะว้าวgosh yes that's interesting. Wow.
Yeah, we're making them up this morning, like those.
Oh, yeah. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's going to be lovely.
We had to cover them up before we felted it in because the wet get on them, they just go all black.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, lovely.
So we've got 3 more of those
That's going to be nice one, isn't it?
Yeah, we've got 3 more of those to make up.
Yeah, so that means you knock through here?
Yeah.
Wow, look at the big building come out.
Yeah.
And over here too.
That's another bedroom.
Another bedroom. Maybe living room, I don't know.
Kitchen.
Kitchen, this one?
Yeah.
Wow, white kitchen, beautiful.
It's an island in the middle.
That's fantastic, yeah.
We've got utilities.
Yes, hey, of course, the top roof. Above there is going to be room or?
What? This is the bedrooms. Yeah.
It's going to be bedroom there.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
I see.
Bedrooms and bathrooms.
Yeah, I never seen this one, the ceiling like that.
No, they're well, they're not relatively new. They have used them. We've used them a couple of times.
Okay.
It's because of the span.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's amazing house. It's going to be big one, eh? It's a big house.
It is.
Very big house.
Yeah.
8 bedroom can come here, yeah?
Yeah, 8 bedrooms.
It will come out amazing.
We've got a wow in here.
Oh, yes. Look at another one. Here's another room. Yeah, that's gonna be chimney.
Yeah.
What is that?
Wow.
Well,
That
wow.
was in the outhouse.
That's
so
tui.
that's 28 foot deep.
Wow, look, 28 feet deep.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
And we're
This is before this one, from beginning?
yeah, this was originally here
Original.
in one of the outbuildings. And of course, when we've done the planning, so
Yes.
this is going to be one of the front rooms. So what we'll do
Yeah.
is we'll put some hamstone around it, some
Yeah.
stone, and put some glass over it. So
Okay.
we've put some lighting in,
Oh yeah.
so you can light it all up
Yeah.
and see down through.
So that means this water is always happy.
Yeah,
That's a
yeah. It goes up and down a bit, but you wouldn't. You
That
wouldn't
means they never run out the water then.
no.
That's
No,
fantastic.
I
isn't
mean
it?
it's gone down a little bit because it
Oh.
was quite a way up,
Oh,
but like I say, it's 28 foot deep. So
28 foot deep. That's amazing. That they come up to here sometime or
yeah, we've been up to about roughly where that slot is down there.
okay.
About down there.
Yeah.
Somewhere. The other day it was back when we had last winter.
Yeah.
But obviously we've had a dry spell,
Oh,
and it's all
this is great. Very interesting. That's lucky to have the water here.
yeah, it is.
It's worth it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Otherwise, water can be very expensive.
Yeah.
So
Well,
at home, you can pump out all the
Mr.
time.
Hammersley's and Mrs. Hammersley's water comes off their own springs anyway.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For Earl's farm and all
Yes,
that.
yes,
It's
yes.
all their own water.
Yeah, their own water. Very lucky. And they're very clever
Yeah.
to have all these things, you know.
Yeah.
What is stand for?
This is the underfloor heating has already been put
Underfloor
in here
heating.
because this has got flagstones on top of here,
Okay.
and this has got oak. So
Oh.
we already put the concrete up higher. That's why it's higher, and we already put the underfloor heating in.
Okay. Do they have a basement as well?
No.
No. Okay. That's right. That's really interesting.
Yeah.
Wow, this is very nice. And this side is for
Another
sitting room.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this.
Yeah.
Very clever. That's fantastic. So how long do you think you finish by? If it is
it's
material.
all according to materials, a lot of the time with the materials,
Yeah.
quick and get those.
Okay.
But, shouldn't be too much longer, but I mean, like I say, we've got to get all the materials here first.
Yeah.
So, be a little time.
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, very interesting. Very nice. Nicely done. So how far is the area?
The whole lot?
Yeah.
I imagine it's sort
The-
of like quarter of an acre, the whole site, isn't it?
How many acre?
Quarter an acre.
Quarter an acre. Okay.
Yeah, got to be, innit?
It's quite a lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Big one. And this area too, yeah? All this as well? Belong to there?
He owns all of that. Yeah.
Amazing. Wow. You have so much. Bon cup, that's really good. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. Hey, ti khan kapute in khaka sayang khan sata khan ka to kan kal to a hi an in tharle ani a hin sale meka ti hian 8 bedroom house in an samek le ni so kan mong khan ni chin kan lu na kha so lai so lut phei beka in sak den thiam ma sabra ma hian an in sak hian ka mitala thin le tuka an om thei an fing le tukhi. Look at this, the area, amazing. Ku ta khoi kan ram ku ala hwal vek ani chu te khan bong khan nga bok si bong zangar wala han nei ta a bong nu te kha liter tam tak kha ni khata chuaka chumi bong nu te tang chuan butter an siama 2mm mai kha chuan cheese an siam bokani chuan butter le cheese kha London khopuya te mun thang thanga khan an supply boka chumi pia lama chuan an thil ti kha butter po kha mi hian an ei du ma cheese ten ei du maya sa phau hian cheese an du tapa chu tu na hian an factory atang siam mek pon ngala tian in hi an san samai nian hau sapoka mun an nga boka tian a thokrim ma thorim na a thorim man hi a mu chiang lu tuka kan ti tiang zong chuan anu pui po taima a chuan a fapa pahni aneya fapa pakhat hi sang em johnny ania fit ruk le inches sari ning ka ria ชวนฟิลิกซ์เลลอราคาทวินสัญญาพีร์ชวนลอราจูมิโซรามาคาไม่ใช่แม่ทัดเต้าการช่วยลูกค่ะเอมิลีเนนซาบรามาไอ้ลอนดอนจังอินนั้นมิโซรามาเรากัลฟังก็อมไลกับมินรอนนังอ่ะชวนกันอินะนัดอันแข่งอันนี้ค่ะเฮติคบะเฮาซาเลอินนวมสีขันกันอินเสตอันรถแข่งดูอ่ะอย่างคันตรงอ่ะเตะกันปิกนิกปุยอ่ะนวมยันตีมาอันเราปุยเสียค่ากันสวยงอ่ะซับทามีฮิจูอันจะปูหรอวะค่อยปนินะ just ให้เซลนี่ตีไลค่ะอันตันคัน5 star hotel ปนิโรเซน afford เวกอันแข่งไทยมาเซอันดูเรากับอินแคร์กันนักแคร์คันมินเซนจิลเวดูอ่ะแต่กันเฟอมอังเตกันบาร์รูมนวมเราแต่พอขามินแชร์ปุยแชร์เมียละวินันตาจุดยังจนดินหุนันเนี่ยอันเฟลดานเลยอันไตมากดานฮีอันตรูนี่ให้นทกตัวแต่นั้นทกมบอ่ะเฮ้ลายฮีเงี้ยโคลเตรเตเฟลไฟจนเราไหนบกอ่ะเองแต่ฮีมุดูตานจนหูนมทำมัดเลี้ยงอันนี้
That's the only part that was left over because of the planners
Okay.
wanted it left. But everything from there,
from there
Yeah.
all new
yeah, we had the old house. What was there? The old farmhouse. We took
Okay.
it down.
Okay.
Resplit the stone. The stone is the old stuff, but obviously the old walls was like that thick.
Okay.
So we had double the amount of stone.
oh
So we resplit the stone and like there, down
Yes.
there. Look, that's what
Oh,
we've
I
got left
see.
at the moment.
yeah
And use that.
yeah
The ham stones are second hand.
that's amazing
Yeah.
that's all the top that's
The
all
chimneys
stone
are new.
chimney
Yeah.
amazing
Yeah, they're brand new.
it's beautifully
Saw that supplies that from Ham Hills.
Yeah.
Yeovil.
okay
Yeah.
so how long do you think it will take to complete
Well, we're just getting problems with getting materials at the moment. I mean,
Okay.
last Christmas we ordered the slates and it's took this long, and they're
Yeah.
only just turning up. Hopefully next week.
ah
Yeah, that's why a lot of the roofs have been left off because we
Yes.
can't get over the slates.
yeah here is the builder very clever builder fantastic you done very good job yeah I'm pleased to see that yes hey oli ate in bok atharan lo leile aram kha tuna hian an sale me ka hey builder howin an lo oma builder ho po hey tuna han pu ten an be me ka ni
Stood great there, but
very interesting
ole kapu fa te anin le lo le thar le ahmun te le anin sak mek te kan fang zowa tuan tuna hian town village a kan kala village po hi anuam em maya a 5 fel sia chuan an in le lo hi an sak dan hi anoma in sang pui angkha omlova bangla type de re hian in hi an safur maya hei hi mit atlung a
open
amu anoma tin a 5 fel vel vek zel mai bok ani tin an ram le leilung hi an azir boka keini mizoram ta chuan tlang ram pang che tak tak maya kan be furawangin in thapo moi tak tak in kan sade theilawani anni chu an hmun te are em wang hianin nal tak tak in an sa theizel ani ti kha kan sei ve kher do ani achan chu khampanga sade ta se hetiam em in nal hian save lo ve mai theini ti lai te kha ka ngai to na ron thlenga anni chu an hmun are em wang hian in sak ko ma tin an chung ha thim khep khu phi om le lawa a eng lu tok zel mai le engkim mai hi an arrange thiamani ti kha karon so ani ole kan channel le kan video te min lo lut sak thina min lo en sak thina wangi ni zawai chunga lom thu kan so ye min la subscribe lo ten min lo subscribe pa bell in lo me khan notification in lo muzel dona chowang chuan bell kha in lo me tel zel bok don nia min lo like saka min lo share saka min lo comment sak thin tu te in zawai chunga lom thu kan so ya lalpan mal som vek chewro se next video kan in mule vek don nia bye bye